on a developing major winter storm that will heavily impact Wisconsin tonight into Thursday night, followed by a quieter and colder trend into the weekend. A strong area of low pressure is forecast to intensify over the Texas-Oklahoma panhandles and move northeast towards the southern tip of Lake Michigan by midday on Thursday. The storm is forecast to strengthen further as it moves into lower Michigan Thursday evening. Moderate to heavy snow is likely from southwest Wisconsin to the northeast late tonight into Thursday evening. High winds and blowing snow can be expected on Thursday as the low moves southeast of the state. Travel could become difficult to impossible at times. Blizzard or winter storm warnings are in effect for much of central and southern Wisconsin tonight through a portion of Thursday night.
Clouds and radar combined, there it is. You can see this heavy snow band that extends from Nebraska going into central Iowa, and it will rapidly spread across southwest and south central Wisconsin as we go through the nighttime hours.
Schools will be closed tomorrow, Thursday, December 20th, due to the predicted snowstorm. This also means all evening activities will be canceled.
There it is. This low pressure system will come in, but it appears there's going to be some warm air starting to wrap into the system, and that's going to produce a mixture. Here we are at 6 a.m. Madison southward will have some rain mixed with snow. To the north and west of Madison, this is going to be snow throughout the entire period. Any mixture will come to an end by tomorrow morning, and by Thursday, 6 p.m., snow will still be falling, even though it should start to taper off after being heavy at times through much of the day. But strong northwesterly winds behind that storm system will cause a likelihood of blizzard conditions later tomorrow afternoon, going through tomorrow evening.
Thunder snow with rates of 2 to 3 inches per hour may briefly occur. Winds northeast 10 to 20 miles an hour tonight, becoming northwest 20 to 30 miles an hour on Thursday, with gusts of 35 to 45 miles an hour. Impacts, travel becoming difficult late tonight and continuing through Thursday evening. Blowing and drifting snow and potential for blizzard conditions Thursday afternoon and evening. Some power outages possible due to heavy wet snow collecting on trees and power lines. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring.
Closer look at things for southern Wisconsin. Here it is, and forecast snowfall totals around 10 to 15 inches in Madison, where there will be somewhat of a mixture. Quite a bit of rain in Janesville, keeping snow amounts down until later tomorrow. But to the west and north of Madison, where I'm expecting snow tonight and through the day tomorrow, snow accumulations could be at 15 inches, perhaps approaching as much as 20 inches. Southwest Wisconsin's under a blizzard warning tonight and all day Thursday. The blizzard warnings for south central Wisconsin for the afternoon and evening hours of tomorrow.
I'm calling it right now. There's going to be no school tomorrow, Friday. I'll be surprised. I know we won't have any school tomorrow. If we have school Friday, I'm going to be disappointed. Because this storm is going to be insane. Oh man. Oh my god, I can't even feel my face. Blizzard's supposed to come around 3 o'clock. Some more of it's coming. Heard a few thunder snow this morning. And I expect a few power outages. Traffic report says there are too many accidents to cover, so don't want people on the roads. Low pressure system over Chicago right now. It's gotta be. It's getting really intense. It's like 2 feet right there.
And your snowfall amounts for today were awfully high. We were right around 20 inches here in Dane County, and that was kind of the hot spot from Dane County up through portions of Columbia and Dodge County. And then elsewhere, still nearly a foot of snow in many areas, the exception being down near Janesville and then to the southeast. Those areas saw a lot of rain, so their snow totals weren't nearly as high.
Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.